2021 Buick Encore. This is going to be resetting the oil life reminder, the brake pad, the air filter. Okay. We'll go with the oil life first. Use your steering wheel button controls. Scroll to the right till you get to the I. Now go down to oil life. All you have to do is press and hold the OK button down. Okay, you'll get a chime. And I'll reset to 100. Air filter, you're going to go down and hit the enter button again, and it'll ask you if you want to reset. Hit reset. Ask you scroll up to the right and say yes. So the brake pad life will not let you reset it until it gets down to a reset percentage. Okay, but when you get there, you'll hit menu and you will go ahead and select front pad install or rear pad install, and that will allow you to reset the brake pad life reminder.